Hello, my name is Eric White, and today we're going to talk about how to use an apostrophe inside your HTML. Now, typically what can happen if you're using some sort of a web page development software and it encodes using UTF-8, then it could be a problem if you don't put the meta tag for the apostrophe in there, or for your encoding. So what happens is you get this garbled, weird-looking text instead of the actual apostrophe. So when you run into that problem, what you'll want to do is add this meta tag right here, and that's open your less than tag symbol for meta, and then meta space HTTP hyphen equiv, that's EQIV equals, and then open quote content dash type close quote space content equal open quote text / HTML semicolon char set equals UTF-8 close quote, and then go ahead and close your tag. And then go ahead and put your regular HTML in, whatever you want to say down here. Make sure this meta tag is up in the head section of your HTML. Now I'm going to go ahead and close this, and we'll open it up. And it says, "I'm feeling especially wonderful today." And notice the apostrophe is just right. And that's how you use an apostrophe in HTML.